Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this new lesson, The Key to Excellent Speaking. Dear all, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about the key to excellent speaking, how to improve our speaking, and what are the most essential points for it. Dear all, don't forget to speak and exchange information. Speak as much as possible. जितना हो सकता है आप speaking करें. Now the question will arise, what to speak upon? What should we communicate on? There are plethora of things. They are all, you can speak on your daily routine. You can speak on the things inside home. You can speak about a chapter from your any academic book. School के books में से किसी भी एक chapter उठा के अपने favorite book का read करके communicate it. Learn something new. Learn from my YouTube channel. Learn from any other YouTube channel. Learn from Facebook something new. Try to share it with your friend. Exchange the information with them. Talk about movies. Talk about new music. Talk about books. Talk about anything. Information is everywhere. Talk about nature. Talk about anything that you can have access to. You will commit mistakes. It's okay. Committing mistake is not a big deal. We all is a learner commit mistake. हम सब learners mistake commit करते हैं. Don't think that I will commit mistakes और कुछ बड़ा हो जाएगा. No one is going to take you out. Everything will be all right and you're not going to be out of this world. The second thing that I want to guide you is, if you want to make your speaking excellent, second, step that you need to work upon, that is technology. What? Use technology. How we should use technology? Take your smartphone. Go install an app. Connect yourself to people around the world. Try to install any app and connect yourself. Besides that, you can go to any best website of English language or anything that will give you new information to learn English from. Besides that, you can also make your video. You are going to present something. Make your video. Then watch your video. Point out your mistakes by yourself. Try to eliminate them again. आपने इसी टेक्निक को इस्तेमाल करके improve होना है. This technique will help you a lot to make your video, and then just point out your mistake. अपने mistake points out करो और उसको eliminate कर दो. Dear all, the third point that I would love to share with you is listen as much as possible. Now, many of you will have the question, what to listen? There are many things to listen. For beginners के लिए beginner videos होने चाहिए. There is a YouTube channel by the name of Easy English. Listen things from there. That is giving you vocabulary and daily conversation. In Easy English, you will find that. You can watch videos from my YouTube channel, EngLanGo. You can learn things from here. Listen the same lecture that I am delivering 3-4 times and then stay and deliver the same lecture the way I am delivering. इसी तरह improvement आती है. Improvement इस तरह नहीं आते कि आप समझते हैं that I will go to a specific classroom or I will go to a specific place and then things will get changed. So try your level best to practice these small things. You will improve that way. Another thing that is really important is learn phrases instead of words. Learn phrases instead of words. Many students are committing mistakes. They are taking out words in their learning. I accept that. You will learn and you will improve. But if you learn the complete phrase, you will understand the contextual meaning of it. You will understand the complete phrase. और individual words से ज़्यादा अगर आप sentences में जो है phrases में आप vocabulary सीखते हैं, that will help you a lot and you will understand. Then you should use the same vocabulary. As I said, speaking in the start, speak as much as possible. Just communicate to yourself. Hey Hamid Talash, today I have learned XYZ. For example, today I have learned word laborious. Today I have learned the word serene. Serene means this and that. And then you are going to elaborate the same vocabulary to your own self. This is how speaking will take place. Another technique, that is self-talk. What to communicate to yourself about what you should have communication. Go for self-talk. Any story might have taken place in your life. हमारे ज़िंदगी में हज़ारों events होते हैं. Try your level best to listen yourself. Listen the stories and then tell the same stories in your words. Face yourself. Stand in front of the mirror. Communicate to yourself. Communicate the information that you have learned. It's great saying, if you can face yourself, you can face the world. These are some techniques through which you can improve yourself. They are all for English language and for speaking that you need to improve. You need to improve from the basic to intermediate, from intermediate to higher. कभी भी आपने ऐसा नहीं करना कि आप mix ideas उठाते हैं. First of all, learn basic vocabulary of fruit, food, vegetable, home, community, society, city related words, transportation related words, these all things. और फिर इन पे आपने conversation कैसी करनी है, learn that how to use the phrases and words in proper sentences. They will help you a lot. Don't forget to be a part of our YouTube channel. You will learn more and we will bring many interesting topics to you all and you will improve a lot. Thank you so much for watching.